if you have a laptop with the touch screen, or Surface Pro or Surface laptop, or any computer with the touch screen, and you start problem, an issue with the mouse, or issue with the screen, flickering screen or moving screen, that's annoying. Sometimes you have to restart the computer, your PC. So it's mostly in the touch one devices, like touch screen one. So it's better to turn off the touch screen from the setting, and then it will be okay. Like I have also a keyboard, mouse in my Surface Pro, but there is something wrong with the touch screen, so the mouse all the time start moving, disappearing, and then the screen also start flickering. So I watched so many videos on YouTube, and one of the guy, he say like just turn off the touch screen from your PC. I did that and it works. So first you will come here to the Windows search, and you will write down, is also here, you see the device manager. If it is not here, then you will write down here device manager, so it will take it to you to device manager. So the device manager, so you will go to the device manager. In the device manager, I also already, you see I was changing, see it's already open in human interface device. You will come here, I will close it now so you can understand. So it will be like this, the desktop, the device manager will be like this all like Bluetooth, camera, computer, disk, driver, display, adapters, what else, firmware. But you will come here, human interface device, human interface device, and you will open it. When you open it, there is a lot of like Bluetooth, GPIO compliant, but you will come to HID compliant touchscreen, and one I have two here in my computer, HID compliant touchscreen. So what you will do, you will just right click on it. This is a update driver, disable device, uninstall device, scan for hardware. So you will disable device. So when you disable the device, before I did update driver, but it was not, so many times I did update driver, but update driver it was not working. I also reinstall the window, but it's also, the issue was still there. So that's why I just remember this. I also update driver, but with the update driver the issue was not finishing. So you will just disable from here. So I did, you see, and it will be like this arrow. It will show when you disable the touch screen. I have two options here, so it will show down error, mean this is disabled. So now my screen is working good, not flickering, and the mouse is also not moving, working good. So yeah, and anytime if you want to start the touch screen again, if you want to use the touch screen again, so you will just right click here and enable the device. So it's easy, but I found it good. I just turn off the touch screen from the screen. Okay, thank you.